lemon plantain rice or lemon banana rice, one of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the healthiest of the veg recipes and one of the most delicious of the lemon recipes and one of the easiest to make of the rice recipes and one of the most wholesome of the fried rice recipes. Today we are going to make lemon plantain rice. The ingredients are around 100 grams of plantain or banana, 25 grams of garlic, 20 shallots, 2 green chillies, 1 onion cut into pieces, 1 tomato cut into pieces, and 1 lemon cut into pieces. 1 cup of rice. We have taken long grain rice. Take 2.5 cups of water in a pan and bring it to a boil. Keep the water to boil. Now put in a pinch of salt. And let the water boil further. Pour in 5 ml of oil. And let the water boil. Now put in the soaked and washed rice into the water. Now let the rice cook for 15 minutes. The rice is ready and rice can be taken off the flame and used to make the dish further. The pan and pour in 10 ml of oil. Put in the shallots. Put in the onion pieces. Salt until the onions become golden brown and the shallots lose their reddish color. Put in salt. paste. Now put in the tomato pieces. Then the green chili sauce. Saute. Put in the plantain or banana pieces. Saute mix. Put in 2 spoons of Garam Masala or mix your spices. Mix. and mix. Now squeeze in the juice from the lime. Thoroughly squeeze in the juice. Mix in the lime juice. The rest of the mixture. Thoroughly mix in the lime juice with the rest of the mixture. Now pour in 100 ml water. Mix and let the mixture cook for 5 to 10 minutes. Now add in the rice. That we prepared earlier. Mix. Add in the balance. Mix thoroughly. And cook for 5 minutes more. Now the lemon plantain rice or lemon banana rice, one of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most healthiest of the veg recipes, is ready and can be taken off the flame and served. This is the final lemon plantain rice or lemon banana rice, one of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the healthiest of the veg recipes, and one of the most wholesome of the lemon recipes, and one of the easiest to make of the banana recipes, and one of the most wholesome of the fried rice recipes, and one of the most unique of the vegetarian recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.